girl, hey, here I am. I know I've been MIA. There's a lot of shit going on in this house, remodeling, reconstructing, and rebuilding, and so much more other stuff. But I wanted to come on here really quick before I get back to work, is show you the Crease stamp. Yes, your girl found it. I only knew it'd be a matter of time before AliExpress had it. You already know the link is down below, but I found it. Here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in, and I am going to give you guys a very close look at this Crease stamp. When you get it in the mail, it looks like this. And believe me, it's not as big as it seems on the picture. So you get this little ball squishy cap, almost like a perfume squeezer thingy, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And here is the eye cup right here. Now I do want to point out that the eye cup does come off, so you can wash it. It is silicone, it is bendable. You can use alcohol swabs with it, you can bend it, you know. There goes the connection that goes in the back. And then just to put it back on, the only thing you do is pop it right back on, just like so. So I guess this is for sterilization, if you're using this on clients, or if you're just having a stamping party with your friends and you don't know who's got what, then you can just go ahead and throw this piece away. No, just play it. You can clean it off with some alcohol. So that's what that came like. And then also, this is the box that it came in. Nothing special. Came in your regular package, the sheer post that AliExpress used. It did take a minute to get here. So I ordered this, I want to say, what is this, April? So I ordered this about mid-March, and I just got it last week. And today is April 12th? Yeah. So I just got it. So let's go ahead and see what this can do. My eyes have already been primed with my eyeshadow base and my translucent powder. So the first thing I'm going to do is just start creating some transitional colors. And considering I ordered this stuff from Kat Von D, which actually looks pretty good, I am going to go into the, what is this, the Metal and Matte. I think this is the mini palette. Yeah, the Metal and Matte mini palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here called Oak and this shade right here called Velvet. And let's go on ahead and apply some of this in the crease. Oh, and also I am using my S30 brush from Coastal Scents. I just got these brushes and I absolutely love them. They are a professional set, so you will have to take care of them. This part is made out of bamboo. It's really cute, and it picks up a lot of pigmentation out of the palette, so you don't get a lot of fallout. I really like them. Been using them for about 2 weeks now. You guys should go check them out. Okay, so now that I have my transition colors on, I am going to take my crease stamp and some makeup base or eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to go straight in with my finger. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap that all in there until it is completely covered, and I will be back. That's covered. It should look something like this. And what I'm going to do now is try and line it up with my eye. So since I'm a right-handed dominant, we're going to go that way. Now make sure when you're doing it, you don't do it this way, because then, as you can see, it's upside down. So if you do it this way, you get the crease. Now everybody give me a moment of silence and pray for me. Here we go. I'm gonna close my eye. I'm gonna stamp it on. It should look like this. Got it on as close to the lash line as I have it. Now I'm gonna just tell you, I'm not an expert, so I am trying this with you guys. And wow, There we go. Now, alright, let me just go ahead and finish this. See if I can stamp it again. Close. Put it on there. And okay. So we got a cut crease. It goes quite high. And I think the problem with this is going to be trying to make them match on both eyes. So now that I have that down, I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and just blend this in just a little bit. And then I'm going to work on the other eye. Okay, so this is what this eye looks like. And this is what this eye looks like. Now, I'm going to take this one off and try this one again. Because I jacked it up. So, yes, I'm going to take this one off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my transition color back where I want it. And I'm trying it again. Let's see how this goes. I think the thing is trying to line it up. So... okay, that's a little better. What do you guys think? Sorry, I was probably in the way. Concentrating. It does cut it really high, so you don't have to worry about hooded eyes, because it will work. You know what? Yep, I'm going to try it again. Maybe the key is to look down. Okay, I could work with this. So, sorry. So, look down and stamp it on. And then, it becomes a whole lot easier when you do it that way. I hope I'm in focus. So, you're going to stamp it on, line it up with your corner of your eye. And I think I like this whole rolling motion like that. So then I think I got them just about even. I'm gonna work on this side and I'm gonna come back. What I did was go ahead and try and fix the edges a little bit. I took my, what is this? My S20 brush from Coastal Scents, and I went ahead and fixed the edges, put it back in the pot, you know, my eyeshadow primer, and fix the edges. I have hooded eyes, so it cut my crease right where you wouldn't be able to see it at anyway. If I didn't have that crease stamp, it probably would have what the fuck am I trying to say? Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. This crease stamp cut my crease for me just before my regular crease. So how can I put this? If you have hooded eyes, this would be great for you. The trick is trying to find out how to use it for your eyes, okay? Everybody's eyes is different. That's a whole part of being unique. So this fit my eye from corner to corner just perfectly. If you have smaller eyes, you might want to have to adjust this just a little bit if you are going to try and cut your crease. You can also put eyeshadow on this and stamp this right on. So depending on your eye size, type, shape, everybody is going to differ. So I have more of an almond eye. It seems to work out just perfectly. So what I did was go ahead and fix the edges with my eyeshadow base and made it more seamless, if that makes sense. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this same Metal and Matte Mini, and then I'm going to take the color Flash right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that all over my lid and see where we go from there. Okay, so before I was so rudely interrupted by my battery dying, I was going to tell you that I was going to finish everything off camera. This is what I came up with. What I did do, if any of you guys are curious, I took this color right here. It's called Velvet. And I have put this one. I put that at the bottom lash line, and I'm using these 3D lashes. I'll link them down below because they don't have a name, they just have a number. They're D18. So I'll link everything on my face as well as my hair will be linked down below. Now my final thoughts on the cut crease. Where is it? Is it the same as the original? I have absolutely no idea, because the original is made out in Brazil and the website is in Portuguese, and Google Translates only translates so much, so I don't know what this is made out of, the original one. All I know is that it gets the job done, and I believe she was charging for her cut crease stamp, I want to say it was like 80 bucks for it. Don't quote me on that. I don't know anything about currency except for USD. So anyway, I know that this will retail for $6 on AliExpress. A link is down below. I think it's a great concept. You just got to get the hang of it. You got to get the motion. Whatever works for you. If you like to just stamp it right on, then do it. If you like to roll it, I think I'm liking to roll it because I can get it from corner to corner to get the cut crease. I did have to clean up around my edges a lot. Just to make it where I want it to be, but that also comes down with technique. I like the fact that you can take it off and sterilize it. I just wipe mine off with an alcohol pad to make sure that it is sterilized and I'm not cross-contaminating eyes, if that is a thing. And so far, I say go pick up one. It can't hurt. It's only $6. It's a whole lot better than $80. So hopefully I will get to see you guys very soon. We are still doing construction in our house, and I hope to be done a whole lot quicker what I'm thinking is going to be done. Until next time, I'm going to see you guys in the next video.